Hi, it's Amy and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do some nice simple gemstone nails with some of the nail nails shapes. Enjoy! I've removed the old gel polish and a layer of the Acrygel that we had on, so these are due an infill now. So we're going to do an infill with the Acrygel using Pinch Me. So to start with that, we need some of the nail prep dehydrator, and you place that on the natural nail. So these have been pushed back, all the dead cuticle removed and prepped, ready to go. And this just needs to go where the natural nail is. Let that dry off a sec, and then we'll go in with the Urban Graffiti base coat. You want to make sure you've got a nice thin layer on there. You pull the skin back at the cuticle to butt up and down the side walls, and then do the same on all the fingers. So when you finish with the base coat, pop that in for 60 seconds. Now we're going to go in with the Acrygel, and for that we're going to need a dapper dish with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint free wipe to wipe your brush, and I'm going to use the Oval 6 brush just because I like this one. I'm also going to use the spatula as well that you can get. Clean that off, squeeze a little bit out, and you don't need much for each finger. So using the gel residue wipe off solution, coat your brush so it makes it easy for it to slip around. And sometimes if it's been cold, the Acrygel will get a little bit stiff, so you ask your client to sit on it to warm it up. So just try to put that up to the cuticle as smoothly as possible, and then drag that down the nail. Move the nail around, the finger around, to check that you've got it all covered. Check that you've got your apex on there. Try getting it nice and smooth up near the cuticle as possible, because it'll help you with filing. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So when they come out of the lamp, get a lint free wipe, some gel residue wipe off solution on there, and we'll rub them down and clean them off. Take that sticky layer off, and when they've dried off a little bit, take a 180 grit file, starting with your side walls, go straight down underneath your free edge. These are pretty well shaped anyway, so it's just a case of going over. So we're going to go in with my fave, Shy Time, and we're just going to do 2 layers on each nail, making sure to pull back the skin slightly so you get it nice and close to the cuticle and the side walls, and don't forget to cap the free edge. Pop that hand in for 30 seconds. Go back in with your second layer. Pop that in for 30 seconds. So with some gel residue wipe off solution on a lint free wipe, give that a cleaning down, take that sticky layer off. So on the back of form, we're going to use the new Holographic collection. So we've got a little bit of unicorn blood, and we're just going to dot a little bit on. See Me Blue, Confession. Candy Floss. Building up to the last one. And I like it rough. So I'm going to marbleise them ever so slightly with some Snow White. So I'm going to leave the first one out, put a little dot of white next to the others, and then I'll come back to those in a moment. So I'm going to use these shapes that you can get off the website and in the store. So I'm just going to pick 5 of these shapes randomly, and I'm going to take a little bit of the base coat, just run it over, do one at a time. Pick these up, just so they stick, and then flash cure for 10 seconds each finger. So place the shapes on the nail with the base coat sticking it down slightly, and flash cure each one for 10 seconds. So the final one will cure it for 60 seconds. So once they're out, we'll come back to this, and what we'll do is we'll marbleise just a little bit each colour by running the white through. With a 001 brush, we're going to pick up some of the colour and dot it in the middle of each one. This is what gives us our gemstone look. And then pop them in the lamp, and we'll do the thumb last. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then when we're done with that, we take the Urban Graffiti top coat and we go around, button up to the shape so it seals it, and taking the fluff away. And then when you're done with that, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then when that's out of the lamp, give it a few seconds to cool down, and then go in with cuticle oil, pink pineapple, because it's my fave, and finish them off. And there you have it, nice simple gemstone nails. And there you have it, our gemstone nails using the nail nails, shapes and gel polish. Nice and simple and quick to do. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below, and if you like these, leave us a like and a comment. Thanks for watching, bye!